create a small box like this, and we'll just round it. Let's make it round so that it looks much better. So we'll just get the rounder and push the numeric key and change this to like 50 millimeters, and the lines are too much, we'll just put 2, and that's enough. So let's say we have this box and we want it to react with a ground. So what we're going to do is we'll leave that one in the background, get this, put a box underneath, let's say like that, and then make it wide, more like that. Let's move it to the center. Okay, space on the keyboard. We have to save our object. We'll say try. I'll replace my object since I already did this, and each one is in its own layer. So what I'll do is I'll say send object to layout. As you can see, this is what we have. Sometimes things come in here and they look all big. What you do is you push D on your keyboard for display options. You push 1 on the keyboard for 1 millimeter per square. These squares, meaning each square here is actually 1 meter. Okay, so I'll move this box. Let's say I want it to fall down, but instead of me animating, putting in keyframes, let's use dynamics. So I come to FX, and here on FX I'll say this is a rigid body, and this one here I'll move it a bit up. Keep in mind I'm at 0, and I'll say this is a static body. Once I play this, you can see the object moves. What if this is actually at an angle? If I rotate this using Y on the keyboard and I played this, it actually does that. But let's say we had a lot of these in one scene, what would happen? So if we go back to modeler, I come back to this first layer, I'll just reduce its size, say Shift H, reduce its size like that, and I'll come to multiply, come to array, duplicate, more array, numeric. It's got default settings, so you can actually change them. Let's say we want 10 by, let's say another 10 here, and okay, what's this, the distance between them, so you can actually reduce this as well. Reduce that, you can reduce that in the X as well, just bring them together. Okay, so I'll push space on the keyboard, then A to fit everything, save, S on the keyboard, then say synchronize with layout and switch to layout. Still at an angle, I'll bring it back to normal, say more like that, and let's turn it like this so that we see what happens. Okay, T, I'll move it so that it's on top. So as you can see, here's our object. So what happens when we play this? I'll play this, and okay, so that happens. So this is, it's because it's one object, it recognizes this as one object. So what we can do is we come here to more, then we say it's a parts body. So what it does is it's going to recognize each box as its own individual part. So if I say play, it's going to calculate now. So after the simulation, and we have this now. can add more keyframes this side in order for you to get to see the results till the end of the animation. Let's say add this to 150, and instead of just it being like that, I can actually just tilt it a bit. I can tilt it more like that. I'll move it, put it on the center, and just move it a bit higher so that I get more results. So okay, let's fit this. And okay, so let's calculate again. Let's try that. Our simulation is done, and I'll just move that so I don't see a lot of. And here's what we have so far. So as you can see, dynamics in Lightwave, very easy, and you can choose any angle you want so that you see what you want. So as usual, like, subscribe, and watch out for more tutorials. Tomorrow I'm uploading another one, so just push the notification button. Bye bye.